Hello everyone and welcome to the next lecture of first order differential equation. In this lecture we will see the method variation of parameter to solve the differential equation. So we consist here only first order differential equations. So we know few methods are there, out of which the first method we are going to start now. So the first method is variable separable form. Means I can separate variables of x and variable y. Here dy by dx is equal to f of xy. If I am able to write that m of x upon n of y, or you may write in another way also n of y upon m of x, no problem in any way, but just for statement I am taking here m of x upon n of y, then the equation can be written as m dx plus n dy form. Here m of x dx is equal to n of y dy. You may call it as m dx plus n dy form. Then if I integrate it, I get the solution. Then integrating, we get general solution. Integration of n of y dy is equal to integration of m of x dx plus c. So what is the basic thing here? For variable separable form, I must have to separate variables of y and variables of x and equal to sign. Means one side a variable of x and another side variable of y I have to write and I have to integrate. This is the प्रोसिजर. अंडरस्टूड द प्रोसिजर. एका बाजूला वायच्या टर्म लिहायच्या, दुसऱ्या बाजूला एक्सच्या टर्म लिहायच्या आणि इंटिग्रेट करायचं. ओके, लेट अस टेक वन एक्झाम्पल टू अंडरस्टँड दिस कन्सेप्ट. सो द फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल इज सॉल्व dy by dx is equal to x in bracket 2 log x plus 1 upon sin y plus y cos y. Now you clearly observe here numerator contains only terms of x and denominator contains terms of y. वरती फक्त एक्सच्या टर्म आहे आणि खाली वायच्या टर्म आहे. सो क्रॉस मल्टिप्लाय यू विल गेट युअर आन्सर. साइन वाय प्लस वाय कॉस वाय dy is equal to x in bracket 2 log x plus 1 dx. So one side I get y term, second side I get terms of x, and now I integrate, I get the answer. So integration is the crucial part here only. So how to integrate? First multiply that x inside and write down the term separately. So here in this step, for the general solution, 2 into integration of x log x plus integration of x dx is equal to integration of sin y dy plus integration of y cos y dy plus c. So here we are going to use here integration of uv rule. U integration of v minus integration of du integration of v. So this rule we are going to use here. Or you may use this one also, u v1 minus u dash v2 plus dot dot dot, like that. But this is usual in 12th standard, you have used it, so use that rule. Or we know this rule, integration of uv rule, u integration of v minus integration of du integration of v, by part you may call it as. So take that. Here for x into log x dx, log x as it is, integration of x is x square by 2 minus integration of, what is derivative of log x? 1 upon x, and integration of x is x square by 2 dx plus integration of x dx, integration of x dx is x square by 2 is equal to, what is integration of sin y dy minus cos y. Integration of sin y is minus cos y plus again u into v rule here. So I am just writing the step, y sin y dy, y as it is, what is integration of cos y? It is sin y minus integration of, derivative of y is 1 and sin y as it is, dy as it is, right? So in the next step, y sin y, what is integration of sin y? It is minus cos y. So minus minus it become plus. So I am writing here, see, y sin y minus minus plus आपण जे लिहिले ते बघा, -1 into minus cos y plus c. So integration of UV rule we have used here. Now same way do the calculation here also. X square upon x, it 1x get cancelled, so I get 2 log x, 2 get cancelled, so I x square log x. Yes, at this step x square log x minus 1x get cancelled, x remains x square by 2, and this 1 by 2 cancel with this 2. So x square by 2 plus x square by 2 minus cos y plus y sin y and plus cos y. Cos y get cancelled. X square by 2 get cancelled. What I get? X square log x is equal to y sin y plus c. Y sin y plus c. Understood it? Okay. Now let us turn towards the next example. In the next example, we take dy by dx is equal to x sin x upon 2 e raised to y sin hy. So first we cross multiply and separate it. 2 e raised to y sin hy is equal to x sin x dx. Here dy into. This is dy here. Only terms of y and terms of x. Right? Now sin hy. Sin hy we can write it as e raised to y minus e raised to minus y upon 2. E raised to y minus e raised to minus y upon 2, and we integrate it. Okay? See carefully here. Sin hy we take e raised to y minus e raised to minus y upon 2. We just substitute that value. So I get 2 e raised to y into sin hy. Sin hy means e raised to y minus e raised to minus y upon 2 dy is equal to x sin x dx. Now e raised to y multiply inside. E raised to y into e raised to y, it is e raised to 2y, and e raised to y into e raised to minus y, it is 1. So here 2 get cancelled. I get e raised to 2y minus 1 and integrate it. E raised to 2y minus 1 integration of x sin x dx. Again x is one function, sin x is another function, u into v rule. So x as it is. What is integration of sin x? It is minus cos x minus, what is derivative of x? 1, and minus cos x as it is. Now again I take the integration of minus cos x is sin x. So complete your answer here. Integration of e raised to 2y is e raised to 2y upon 2 minus integration of 1 is again y. So here e raised to 2y upon 2 minus y is equal to x minus x, so cos x, and minus minus it become plus, integration of cos x is sin x plus c. So this is your required answer. Okay, you may rearrange or keep as it is, no problem. For the understanding purpose, we will take one more example. See, solve y dy by dx is equal to under root of 1 plus x square plus y square plus x square y square. Now to solve this problem, first we simplify. See, 1 plus x square, and from this two term y square plus x square y square, have you noticed something common? What is that? Under root of 1 plus x square plus y square in bracket 1 plus x square. Now which term is common here? 1 plus x square common. So under root of 1 plus x square into 1 plus y square. Now you separate the root. Root of 1 plus x square is one term and root of 1 plus y square is another term, and here y dy is there. So this dx, denominator the dx, transfer to RHS, and 1 plus root of 1 plus y square transfer to LHS. So I get here, see here, everything I have mentioned to you, showed you. Now just cross multiplication. Root of 1 plus y square transfer to LHS and dx transfer to RHS. Now here, to get the integration of this term, we use two formulas. The first one is integration of f dash upon root f. F dash of x upon root of f of x. It is 2 root of f of x. बरोबर आहे ना? फॉर्म्युले लक्षात ठेवा. इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ f dash upon रूट. जर स्क्वेअर रूट डिनॉमिनेटरला असेल ना, वरती त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह असेल, सो वी राईट 2 रूट ऑफ f of x. And second formula is, बघा इथे नीट, इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ रूट ऑफ 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वेअर डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू 1/2 एक्स प्लस रूट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस 1 एक्स प्लस रूट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस 1 प्लस लॉग ऑफ x plus root of x square plus 1. So this is another formula. So these two formulas we have to use here, and for that we just rearrange the terms. What is the derivative of 1 plus y square? Derivative of 1 is 0 and derivative of y square is 2y. So I must have 2y at the numerator. Y माझ्याकडे आहे already. Y is already there. Now I multiply by 1/2 here, divide by 2 and multiply by 2. Adjust the term. Notice this step. 2 to adjust केला आहे. 2y dy upon 1 plus root of 1 plus y square and r2 as it is. Then here integration of root of 1 plus x square dx. So here what is integration of 2y upon root of 1 plus y square? It is 2 root of 1 plus y square. तो बाहेरचं 1/2 and 1/2 get cancel. What I get? Only root of 1 plus y square. आणि याचा तर रेडीमेड आन्सर आहे. रूट ऑफ 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वेअर डी एक्स इज दिस फॉर्म्युला. 1/2 एक्स रूट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस 1 प्लस लॉग ऑफ एक्स प्लस रूट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस 1. सो हियर रूट ऑफ 1 प्लस वाय स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू 1/2 एक्स रूट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस 1 प्लस लॉग ऑफ एक्स प्लस रूट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस 1 प्लस सी. सो दिस इज युअर रिक्वायर्ड आन्सर. अंडरस्टूड? ओके. नाउ one more example we will take for our understanding purpose. Little bit different. Try to understand this example. Here solve y square cos of root x dx. Y square cos of root x dx minus 2 root x e raised to 1 upon y dy is equal to 0. So this term is there. Here collect the terms of x and y properly. कसं करणार आहे? Here y square cos root x dx is equal to, इथे मी हा 0 काढून घेतो आणि इथे इक्वल टू लिहितो. बरोबर? नाउ हा रूट एक्स जो आहे, रूट एक्स or you may call 2 root x transfer to LHS and this y square transfer to RHS. लिहा तर प्रॉपरली. काय होईल? कॉस ऑफ रूट एक्स अपॉन 2 रूट एक्स डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू ई रेस टू 1 बाय वाय इंटू 1 अपॉन वाय स्क्वेअर डी वाय. इंटिग्रेटेड. What I get after integration? Put here root x equal to t. If I put root x is equal to t, then 1 upon 2 root x dx is equal to dt. Derivative काढा. रूट एक्सचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय होईल? 1 upon 2 root x. क्लिअरली. सो dx अपॉन 2 रूट एक्स याची व्हॅल्यू dt होऊन जाईल या इंटिग्रेशनमध्ये. अँड हिअर पुट 1 अपॉन y इक्वल टू, यू मे टेक अनदर व्हेरिएबल z. सो मायनस 1 अपॉन वाय स्क्वेअर डी वाय इज इक्वल टू dz. और यू मे कॉल्ड 1 अपॉन वाय स्क्वेअर डी वाय इक्वल टू मायनस dz. फक्त मायनस साईन येईल त्याला. सो हिअर ई रेस टू झेड आणि dz अशी टर्म येईल. मग ई रेस टू झेडचं इंटिग्रेशन काय होईल? ई रेस टू झेड. इथे येईल cos t. What is integration of cos t? sin t. अलग लक्षात आता हे बघा बरं. सो हिअर वी गेट इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ cos t dt इज इक्वल टू इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ e रेस टू झेड मायनस dz प्लस c इज इक्वल टू cos t. cos tचं इंटिग्रेशन sin t आणि हा मायनस असल्यामुळे प्लस करून घेतला. e रेस टू झेड इज इक्वल टू कॉन्स्टंट e रेस टू t और यू मे कॉल e रेस टू झेड. मग आता t आणि z ची व्हॅल्यू टाकून द्या. व्हॉट इज व्हॅल्यू ऑफ t? Value of t is root x, value of z is 1 upon y. So your answer is sin root x plus e raised to 1 upon y is equal to constant c. So this is simple examples we have considered to understand the concept of variable separable method. Directly we can do it, but sometimes we have to use substitution. Means the equations which are not easily reducible into linear differential equation, म्हणजे आपल्याला डायरेक्ट येत नाही. सो युजिंग सबस्टिट्यूशन वी कॅन रिड्यूस दॅट इक्वेशन इंटू व्हेरिएबल सेपरेबल फॉर्म. सो इक्वेशन्स रिड्यूसिबल टू व्हेरिएबल सेपरेबल फॉर्म. सो कन्सिडर dy by dx is equal to f of xy. Here x and y cannot be separated directly, so we use proper substitution identifying from the problems. From the problems we get the proper substitution. So what are that substitutions? We may get xy or e raised to xy, then e raised to x upon y upon x, cos of y upon x, sin of y upon x, cos x plus y, sin x plus y. So clearly we observe the substitution here. हे सर्व functions नीट बघा, we can get the substitution. Here xy equal to t, here x upon y equal to t, here y upon x, here sin x plus y equal to t, x minus y equal to t, like that. So we can easily understand from the problem that which substitution we have to use. Okay, let us try to solve it. First example is solve cos x cos y minus sin x sin y dy is equal to dx. Neatly have problem. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y dy is equal to dx. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, it become cos of, काय होता है, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b is equal to cos of a plus b. मग इथे काय होईल बघा बरं, what I get here, cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, it become cos of x plus y, and dy and is equal to dx, transfer this dy to RHS, you will get dx by dy. So reverse order, dx by dy, dx by dy is equal to cos of x plus y. Now clearly observe here x plus y, so I put x plus y is equal to t, x plus y is equal to t. So what I get, 1 plus, here dx by dy I want, so I have to differentiate with respect to y. So dx by dy plus 1 is equal to dt by dy. इथे काळजी घ्यायची. We have a habit of writing dy by dx, but here I need dx by dy. Clearly, now substitute these values in the given equation. So dx by dy is equal to dt by dy minus 1, dt by dy minus 1 and cos t. So here dt by dy minus 1 is plus cos t. Now transfer that minus 1 to RHS, I get 1 plus cos t, and 1 plus cos t we can write 2 cos square t by 2. 1 plus cos t ची व्हॅल्यू काय टाकता येईल, 2 cos square t by 2. Clearly, so here dt upon 2 cos square t by 2 is equal to dy. Integrate. Integrating 1 upon cos square means it is sec of t by 2 square, or you may call it sec square, sec of t by 2 square, right? And what is integration of sec square? Integration of sec square is tan t or tan. Derivative of tan is sec square and integration of sec square is tan. So here I get tan t by 2 is equal to y plus c. Integration of dy is y plus c. Understood? Now put value of t. Value of t is x plus y. So tan of x plus y upon 2 is equal to y plus c. Understood? We will take one more example like this. Here dy by dx is equal to sin x plus y plus cos of x plus y. Clearly you observe here substitution is x plus y equal to t. So 1 plus dy by dx is equal to dt by dx. इथे dy by dx ready-made दिलेला आहे, no problem. So here dy by dx is equal to 1 plus sin t plus cos t. This value is dt by dx. You have to substitute 1 plus dy by dx is equal to 1 plus sin x plus y plus cos x plus y. Value टाकून द्या. dt by dx is equal to 1 plus cos t plus sin t. Now use half angle formula. 1 plus cos t is 2 cos square t by 2. The example in the last example we use it same, and sin t is 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2. Use half angle formulas. Substitute the values. 2 cos square t by 2 plus 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2. Correct? Therefore dt by dx is equal to, take cos square t by 2 common. From this cos square t by 2 common. So here 1, 2 पण common काढा. 1 plus tan upon cos, sin upon cos, it become tan t by 2. So I get here dt by dx is equal to 2 cos square t by 2, 1 plus tan t by 2. Now separate the variables, dt terms on one side and dx another side. Therefore I get dt upon 2 cos square t by 2 in bracket 1 plus tan t by 2 is equal to dx. Clearly integrating. Now 1 upon cos square I can write sec square t by 2, and that 2 as it is, and that 2 I can write 1 by 2 at the denominator term. Now if I put tan t by 2 is equal to u, another variable, or you may write directly integration here, f dash of x upon f of x is log of f of x, because we know that 1 plus tan t by 2, its derivative is 1 by 2 sec square t by 2. Understood? And integration of dx is x. So I get here x is equal to log of 1 plus tan t by 2 plus c. But what is value of t? Value of t is x plus y. Substitute here. So 1 plus tan x plus y upon 2 plus c. Clear? Hope you have understood. Let us take one more example for the understanding purpose. Solve dy by dx is equal to 1 minus x into tan of x minus y. So put x minus y is equal to t. 1 minus dy by dx equal to dt by dx. Substitute the values and do the calculation. I get, yes, 1 minus here dy by dx means dt by dx plus 1. This one dt by dx plus 1. So dt by dx plus 1 is equal to 1 minus x tan t. So 1 get cancel. I get dt by dx is equal to x tan t. In fact minus x tan t. But 1 plus dt by dx I get minus dy by dx. So no problem. It becomes minus minus plus. It calculation need kara. dt by dx is equal to x tan t. Separate. Just solve it. dt upon tan t is equal to x dx. I get log of sin t is equal to x square by 2 plus c. Put value of t x minus y. So here log of sin x minus y is equal to x square by 2 plus c. And the last example we choose is a little bit different substitution. Such examples we can solve in homogeneous, our next part, but let us take this one also. Clearly you can observe the substitution here, y upon x is equal to t. So x sin y upon x dy is equal to y sin y upon x minus x square dx. So substitution is y upon x equal to t, and y upon x is equal to t. To use this substitution, first I have to simplify these terms. Everybody concentrate and try to understand it. X sin y upon x dy is equal to y sin y upon x dx. यामधून y एक sin y upon x कॉमन काढूया आपण. बघा, sin y upon x कॉमन, what remain x dy, आणि इकडची टर्म मायनस होईल, मायनस y dx. येते का लक्षात? x dy minus y dx, correct, and is equal to same minus x square dx as it is. So here divide by x square, and you can write sin y upon x into x dy minus y dx upon x square is equal to minus dx. And now substitute y upon x is equal to t. If I put y upon x is equal to t, then if I take a derivative, I have to use u upon v rule. X dy minus y dx upon x square is equal to dt. So here I get sin t dt is equal to minus dx. तो dx या बाजूला घेऊन टाका LHS ला, तुम्हाला असं मिळेल sin t dt plus dx equal to 0. And integrate it. What is integration of sin t? It is minus cos t. So minus cos t plus x is equal to c. Value of t is y upon x. So I get a answer. Hope you have understood variable separable method. So we stop here.